and go down all the way. All the way down, all the way down. Come up. Come up. Come on, down. And what is?
I don't know. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. Of course, you know we start to healthy journey. And girl, I exercise and work out feeling good, feel and I. If you're not exercising, guys, you should definitely do so. Because I feel good, I feel on top of the world. Right now, I not even eat from morning and I feel energized. Really, my mind clear. My body I feel a little better. And I think say like all your skin it look like exercise I help. I don't know. Feel nice and guess what? Put myself in an environment where everybody I do it. So like everybody walking out, everybody have a good time and everybody exercise. Yeah, even the old people them exercise.
This is a modeling business. Take off your glasses, guys. Wagwan, welcome back. Guys, wagwan. What's going on? Hope you guys are feeling good. You're feeling awesome. It's a weekend. Rashi they are explain, but guess what? This is not a modeling business. Today, we're giving you guys an opportunity to see Rashi working out. So, this is not a laughing thing. First, we're going to start off with some short sprints, right? Well, not really sprints, some back and forth running. Those who know the beep test will have an idea what I'm talking about. She'll be running down that area around, that's what now, around 30 meters and back.
Yeah.
And you do that at least 10 times just to get the body warm.
Yeah.
And then of course, then you do some apart together, some jumping jacks, of course, maybe 5 bird peas, right? 2 sets of 5 push-up, and we take it from there. Based on how you're looking, then we continue. Guys, encourage Rashi, because you're going to turn up the pressure on her.
So what happened to the squats?
Make us see what going on.
Okay.
We're going to do some running back and forth.
Alright.
At least 10 of those.
Yeah.
Some jumping jacks,
Yeah.
some apart together,
Yeah.
some bird peas, some push-up.
Which one name bird peas?
You jump up, come down. You know, it's like in a push-up. Example, you jump like this. Stand go down.
And the one push up like?
Yes, like a push-up.
Okay.
Alright guys, so stay tuned and watch what go on. Over there, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, you can do that too? What a nice view.
Yeah.
So guys, honestly, let me know if you want me to take it easy on Rashi or turn up the pressure.
No man, look so my body.
It don't really matter still though, because you guys will be getting the video afterwards. So when you can't cry if you are, no cry, you won't be crying any at all. But we try to choose a good location though, somewhere where not too sunny, but we're still feeling outdoor.
Guys, we have an ultra-race vibe here.
Yes, so she can,
That's right.
so she can feel encouraged to work out. Because you know the raw sun is really tough. So we take
The
her
sun
to,
not hot, it's cool. You feel the heat, but it's cool, it's fresh.
right now I'm excited.
Whoa! Blood of Jesus.
Yeah. So we're so much excited to show you what go on. Let's start in round 1. Come on, let's go. Guys, how's she looking? Let me know how she looking. Come back now, come back. Don't go a distance where you can't angle, you know. Come back. Not bad. Make sure you're breathing.
Yeah. No, you don't
No
want
break.
food.
That's one. How's she looking, guys? Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Not bad.
How much more?
Very good, that's 2. That's 2. Yeah, 8 more to go. Guys, I'm going to burn her up today when I go see Rashi how she burn out. No easy enough. Not bad. Come on, let's go. Make sure you're breathing.
Yeah.
That's 3. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Guys, let me know. Tell me what you think. How she do so far. Guys, you realize how she start off and run fast. I'm tell her pace yourself. Come on, let's go. Let's go. You're doing very good. Very good. That's how much? 4?
My heart.
No man, that's 4.
Why?
So turn down the pace so I start going slow. But fast enough to keep the blood pumping. Guys, let me know if you could do what Rashi is doing. No, Rashida, don't walk. Hey, don't walk. Don't walk. Don't walk. Come on. Don't walk. Don't walk. Come. At least half of the exercise you need to do properly. Come on, let's go. No, seriously. That's 5. At least do 1 more and come back. Guys, you're not telling me if I must start for or what. Or if you think that is enough. Because you don't really start nothing yet, you know. You see her walking, Rashida. Come on, man. Let's go. Willpower, guts. That's what, 6? That's 6?
Yeah.
Come
Feel
here,
like
Rashida.
peanut juice my body.
All over. Alright,
Yeah.
so your blood circulating and your lack of oxygen now. So breathe.
Oh
Breathe.
God.
Breathe. Rashida, you can't do this for too long, you know. Don't stand up. Walk around in circle and breathe. Walk around and breathe. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Come back around because you have 4 more to go. Come back around. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Stop. Stop. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Come on there. In. Alright, walk around again and come back and take deep breath. Walk around. Walk around. Walk around. Walk around. Walk around. Walk the roof and come back. Come back. Good. Into your hip. Into your hip. Release your hip. Alright. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. Come quickly. The place cold. You're not sweat. You're not sweating. Deep breath in. Out. Deep breath in again. Out. Let's go. 1 more. 1 more and come back. 1 more. 1 more. Guys, I'm not telling you how you're going so far. It's all about oxtail and burger. Come on, let's go. Come on. Not bad. You're doing good. You're doing good. You're doing good. Very good. This is for all of your subscribers, all of your fans there that you tell that you will be doing workout. Come Rashida, don't pause.
Go.
That's how much you do now. 6. Come on, 7. That's 7. Go on. Come on, go on. Hurry up, hurry up. And guys, there's a reason why I'm bringing her to the shade, as I explained before. If you do it in the sun, it's going to be extremely difficult. Not bad. This is what, 8?
Yeah.
2 more to go after this one. 2
Yeah.
more to go. Yes, this is
No,
8.
yes, yes.
No, this is 8. That was just 7. 8. Rashida,
Yeah,
don't
yeah.
waste time.
Me
1
go
more
walk.
and come back. 1 more come back and you walk around and sprint the last one. Guys, Mrs. excuses me. Have her today. Not bad. So that's 9. That's 9.
No.
Right. Rashida, listen, don't argument me tonight. That's 9. Walk around in circle, take a deep breath. Deep breath. Walk around. And sprint the last one. And that's it. That's end of the cardio for the day. And then you're still going to do cardio, but lighter cardio. Sprint. All out sprint. All out sprint. Sprint, come back, sprint back, sprint back. Rashida, sprint, 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 your knees up, sprint.
Not a breath.
Alright guys, so next workout. You can't sit down in a rush. Your leg will go heavy when you get up. Walk around. Walk around. Walk around. Walk around. Right from this way. Now drink some water and relax, take a 5.
Guys, my advice here, no eat no food. No eat no food. Mighty God. No sir. The rough. Rough man.
So like a dog. Rough. Good stuff, not bad stuff.
Yeah. Every part of me hurt my heart. My body I droop me like pin. Everything I lock up all my leg then.
So what you need now, you need a proper running sneakers. So
Yeah.
full time now you stop being picky.
Yeah.
Every sneakers you look at you don't like, just pick a running sneakers and start from there.
Okay.
Because this is not good for your instep.
Yeah. Worse me not have none neither.
You know, I'm not so. Alright, so next exercise we're looking at now. We're not going to do too much, right?
Yeah.
Some apart together. Sets of 30.
I can do that.
Sets of 30. So out some more. Sets of 30. Properly. You want me to give you an example? Fully out and good.
So I'm gonna set in the right position.
I want you to go far out like you're a starfish. All the way out like a starfish.
Ready? 2, 3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1 minute break, you do the other set of 30. So guys, right now, I feel jealous. So I'm at the fact Rashida is saying that I should be doing mine while she's doing hers. So you call that concurrent activity, no so?
Yeah.
So guys, we're going to do my short sprint in the meantime while she's doing her exercises.
Oh, God. Ooh.
I don't know.
Ooh. 18. Oh, 19. Oh God. 20. Oh. Hold on, Brian. Good.
Come on.
8, 9, 9. Boy, can't stop eat food.
Alright guys, so you see your boy Wally run out of the blocks a while ago. What was the other exercise supposed to do now? So bird peas.
The other go jump and
They have to take a break. Guys, I'll give her at least 5 minutes recovery time. 3 minutes should be good enough, but 5 minutes is the amount of time I'm going to give her, alright? So 5 minutes recovery time for the bird peas. Stay tuned. So the pressure is on. Pressure is on, pressure is on. Bird peas? Only 5. Only 5. That's it for the day. Only 5.
jump and then do one push-up.
Right? It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. Ah. Come on, don't. Go on, don't. Alright, give me 2 good ones. 2, just want 2, guys. Only 2. Only 2. Down.
Why?
Go.
Why?
Down, all the way down.
Why? Why?
One more. And then go down all the way. All the way down. Come up.
It's hard learning.
Yeah?
It's hard.
Alright, that's it. That's a wrap for the day. That's a wrap. Guys, you see how Rashi love ball? You see how Rashi love cry?
One song I'm motivating them here, you know. Guys, I don't want you. I wish song I keep me motivated. I give you that clip in it.
So, yes guys, that's it for the day.
I just do my walk and walk the trail.
Walk the trail?
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Hope you enjoy this little workout session. You know.
So guys, we're not try screening out a really good journey like what we do. Because if needs be, this was what we planned for the weekend, among other things, but you know, we have to show else we're gonna just be missing in action. So we have to just bring you guys along to give you an idea like what we're actually working on outside of working on, you understand? So this is just, I hope you can really enjoy the trail walk, because I'm gonna walk the trail now, and that's about it. Have yourself like a late breakfast, something light, and then again dinner, something lighter than what we normally have. We try cut down the portion of starch, eat a lot of protein and a lot of vegetable, beans, peas and nuts. Really I try work on that, guys. Combination of the green juice. Took a break from it, but we wasn't drinking bad juice. Just now and again we'll have something sweet, but for the real part we really need to drink water. So we don't really cheat the system, you understand? So I feel healthier, I would say. My mind feel clearer. We go work tomorrow, especially for Jeremy. If I have a rough week that weekend, so we have to get in the exercise. Cause I don't know who know, but I don't know if you experience it, but this is our experience. We don't get no easy work. So when we go in, from a clock in, we literally at work
for your money
till we come out, so it kinda gets stressful. Especially if you try to climb the ranks, you have to put in the work. Because you have to show say you're deserving of it, you understand? Yeah. So you know you're gonna get the test at time. So you know young but again, your body now can naturally manage the type of thing that they in your brain. Normally you think about a lot more stuff, so therefore you have to put in the exercise just if it form to clear your mind, because it clear your mind, make your body feel better. Because the other day I make a vlog, if you don't realize my breathing pattern bad, it's terrible. I never fat over my heart or what, but my heart beats slow, so I know so I have to try to speed it up. And then I have on the weight, so it's a bit challenging for me. So I try to do it healthy. I try to take time cut down some of the fat inside before it even show outside. So I know so I'm getting in the exercise and I feel better, you understand? I think me even feel better again, because now the breeze it a hit differently after exercise. I feel lighter, you know, you get out some of the toxin out of your body. Like the sweat, nobody mind me and somebody with my hard for sweat, I will just look shine. My hard for sweat. I go sweat at other places where you can't see because breeze are blow still. So let me just give you a view of the trail. You just see, you know, what's happening. Okay, you know, especially if you're watching outside of Canada, you cannot get an insight of what it is like to be here. And so by extension, I know someone want to come, don't it? The whole of the run come. This is how we experience on our side of the map, and we just want you to just experience it too. And you know, maybe put plan in place. You know, something like this, so we don't want this or something like that. All of we come, more and see more of we here, right? So just enjoy the trail with us and hope you're having a blessed and productive week. I hope everything is working out to your good. Even with the hiccups, because we had several hiccups this week, but we pulled through. The devil is a liar and we are canceling. God above all things, and just look out for the greater good. Nobody focus on the negative, focus on what is positive. And also remember, I have to leave you with this lasting statement. Surround yourself with people who are going in the direction that you want to go. If you have old friends and whatever, keep up with them. If you are one of the friends and you feel like things are going for your next friend right now going for you, your time will come. So the world stay like a circle. You up today, me up tomorrow. So it go. So just wait your turn have to come. Just like how we have the sun and the moon, and everybody have them time for shine, your time will come. So just stay in the line, because if you come out of the line, well guys, you don't have no space. Don't leave the line. God will bless you next time. Alright guys, so go and big up on yourself and just watch the tour on the trail. Alright, peace out and have a blessed and wonderful week.
We are out.
Bye guys.
Bye guys, big up on yourself and just let me know when you think if Rashi shell on the thing. You need more of these workouts.
Want to comment below and say Team Rashi.
Let us know if you want to see Rashi doing more of these videos, right? More workout videos, so you can hold her accountable to all these promises that she has been giving to you guys.
I've been in the gym. Tell them I've been in the gym.
I don't know about that.
So we've been in the gym in the week, but we want to do some outdoors.
So was the video before you embarrass yourself?
We want to do some outdoors. On the weekend we're using it for outdoors. So you, if it definitely inspire you, go ahead and do outdoor. It really make your mind feel clear. You're seeing a lot. You feel energized. You can have certain music you're playing in your ears, because sometimes I feel stationary in the gym. I'm not really a fan of the treadmill. I don't know who is not a fan of the treadmill. Definitely comment below. I think it want mash me up like it no want me be Megan with the good knees. So I don't really want it mash up my knee, but I like the bicycle because it really work on my legs. So I have some area where I really a target. Girls, we know the area we are target. Him no know. We are target them areas there. So the run for me here so is nice, and the walk and for eat healthy and try for gym down. Cause trust me, girls, it rough with the weight. We even not have somebody not put on no more. If you stay like me or above, not lose the faith. You have to take it one day at a time, because if you look on the overall thing, you're not going to start. Just start somewhere, help the heart,
Action
even if you can't
words,
see.
action over words. Right
So
now I hear too much words. Action.
So are you saying that I'm not doing
Let's
it?
promise. Just hold on, man. Less promises, more action. So hold on. No? So we're going to be doing more videos showing you work, you know.
Of course, because I'm going to show them everything. I'm going to tell a lie.
Yeah?
I'm not going to tell any lie, guys. Definitely comment below if it's Team Rashi for you or a Wally on the thing. Anybody say Team Wally, me say.
Me and you.
Done with you know.
Me and you.
Me done with you know.
Just stay there.
Team Rashi below. Love you guys.